Hello, lovely people. In this video, I will be talking about my top fragrances for Women's Day. So these will be possible gift ideas for your mothers, your spouses, um, just for that special woman who was, whether she's a mom, a stepmom. The scents I'll be talking about are safe scents, meaning that they're all crowd-pleasing scents. They're not offensive. They're not loud, obnoxious scents. So it's safe to gift to someone. It's a safe bet because, chances are that person will like it. So let's get started. So the first fragrance is Jimmy Choo Illicit. This is the Jimmy Choo flanker, and this is a very everyday nice scent. Very feminine, very flirty, very pretty. It doesn't have a huge sillage, non-offensive, and there's notes of jasmine. I don't know if I mentioned this, but jasmine is my favorite scent, like in the perfume. I love jasmine scents. So there's jasmine, ginger, honey, amber. So it's a very sweet floral scent, very, very pretty and feminine. Next fragrance I'll be talking about is Chanel Chance Otendre. Now, this scent is also a crowd pleaser, very beautiful, soft, feminine, classy scent. Just really pretty. This is a jasmine patchouli fruity scent that has pineapple, orange, some kind of citrus that I smell. Just really pretty fruity floral, which is a great addition to any woman's perfume collection. Chanel Chance Otendre. This next one is Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb. I have the travel size here. I originally got this in a set of 3. It had the other flankers, and I wanted to try it. I haven't gone through a lot of this. I haven't had a chance, but it's a really nice scent. Now you can go overboard with this. It can be a little heady, so use it, with care and caution. But I feel like most women will appreciate this. I love this scent. There's jasmine again. All of these fragrances contain jasmine, and I guess that's why I like them so much. There's jasmine, there's patchouli, amber gives it, amber vanilla, give it a nice sweet scent. This is also a really good, safe bet for the woman in your life. Another one is the Lancôme La Vie et Belle Intense. This is the Intense flanker. And I mean, this screams femininity. Like, this bottle itself just screams femininity. This looks lovely, but I love the smell. This will make you your mother-in-law's favorite daughter-in-law. You'll win points for this, or favorite son-in-law. White florals. There's a lot of different white florals. Magnolia, praline, maybe some honey. It's a very gourmand scent. It has a mix of fruity and floral in it, and sweet. So it's very sweet and non-offensive, could be worn every day, any time of day, any season really. So this is a great one for Mother's Day. Ms. Dior, Absolutely Blooming. This is a Ms. Dior flanker, which is my favorite out of all the Ms. Dior's. This bottle is also so lovely and elegant. Has the bow here. It makes a great gift. I truly think this one is a great gift for any occasion. It's a fruity floral, raspberry, rose, pomegranate. It smells so good, so good. And this could also be worn any time of day, special occasions, every day, any time of year, any season. This will score you points. Now this next one is perhaps for that sexy and fiery mother in your life, whether she's your wife, significant other. The age doesn't matter. I think it's appropriate for any age. It's just for the daring woman. Like if you know the woman you're gifting this to will appreciate something like this, this would make a great gift. This is Tom Ford Noir. Perfect. This is a very sexy fragrance. I mean, just take a look at the bottle. It's amazing, amazing. This has orange, ginger, jasmine. This is vanilla, amber, sandalwood. It's so sexy. It's a spicy oriental fragrance and it's just very, very delicious. It also has, I smell like animalic note in it, perhaps like leather note, and it's definitely not for everyday wear. This is a little more daring. You know, this is if you like to take a walk on the wild side. So for those mothers, this will be perfect. This concludes this video, and these are my suggestions for Mother's Day gifts. If you have any other fragrances that I left out or that you prefer, please leave them in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you and know what are some of the scents you would like to receive as a mother, or some of the scents that you have gifted in the past or are planning to gift this coming Mother's Day. Yeah, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified of my future videos. Please hit that like button, and I'll see you soon.